6 утра. Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания.
That night after I screamed at him, he took a bunch of pills and left a note saying he was sorry for being such a failure. I started praying to God. I swore if he let him live, I would do anything, really. Even dive headfirst into a pit of fire if I had to. In the end, I was the one who killed him.